Hello students, welcome to my channel. How are you? Hope so doing well. As situations are critical, follow all the precautions. Anyway, you guys know them. Wear mask, use sanitizer and maintain social distance. As situations are pandemic, you guys can't purchase your textbooks or any publications. So better go through online shopping to purchase your textbooks. Alright, coming to our English second semester syllabus. In today's session, I would like to go through this syllabus. Look at here. You guys have 4 units. Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, Unit 4. Let me start with this Unit 1. Under Unit 1, first subtopic is short fiction. A Visit of Charity by Edura Welty. Second one, pronunciation. Under pronunciation, plosives. Already you guys had studied in your first semester. Plosives, fricatives, affricates, nasals. All these are consonant sounds. So even in this semester, they had given these plosives to you. Coming to third subtopic, grammar. Non-finite verbs. Already you guys are familiar with verbs. Right now they had given non-finite verbs. So verbs, finite verbs and non-finite verbs. So we are going to study about non-finite verbs. Coming to fourth subtopic, vocabulary. Under this, simile and metaphor. These are new topics to you guys. Next, coming to fifth subtopic, spellings. Use of IE and EI. Sixth subtopic, punctuation. Under that, semicolon. Coming to seventh subtopic, conversations. Under that, asking for information. Next, eighth subtopic, reading passage. Under that, it's very easy, our Hyderabad. Coming to ninth subtopic, writing skills. Under that, note making, very easy. Coming to 10th subtopic, soft skills, time management. Under that, value orientation. Here, what is that? Time and tide wait for no one. Okay, clear? Is it clear? So, this is about Unit 1. So, in each units, you guys have 11 subtopics. Now coming to Unit 2. Let me go through this. Under Unit 2, prose. What is this? Benares by Aldous Huxley. So about Kasi here. By Aldous Huxley. Pronunciation. Fricatives. So in the first unit, plosives. Here, fricatives. Coming to grammar part, adjectives. Very easy topic. Coming to vocabulary, oxymoron and hyperbole. These are the new topics to you guys. Coming to spellings, words ending in ABLE or IBLE. So, suffixes with ABLE, words ending with suffixes ABLE or IBLE. Next, coming to sixth subtopic, punctuation. Under that, colon and M dash. We have hyphens, M dashes, N dashes. So right now in the Unit 2, under punctuations, M dashes. colon and M dashes. Coming to 7th subtopic, conversation. It's a request. Requesting. Under reading passage, Burrakatha. Coming to 9th subtopic, writing skills. Under that, informal letters. Very easy. Letters, formal letters, informal letters. Very easy, informal letters. Coming to 10th subtopic, soft skills, leadership. 11th, value orientation. The pen is mightier than the sword. Okay, is it clear? It is unit 2. Now coming to next unit 3. Under this unit 3, poetry. First topic is poetry. What is that? Stanzas written in dejection near Naples by P.B. Shelley. Second one, pronunciation. Under that, affricates and nasals. Coming to third subtopic, grammar part, articles. Very, very easy. Articles, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, preposition. All these are very easy topics. Okay. Now, vocabulary part. Under that, portmanteau words and loan words. These are new topics to you guys. Portmanteau words and loan words. Okay. Next, coming to 5th, spellings. Words ending in al, ance, ence, ic, ity and ive. Next, coming to punctuation. Hyphens. Now coming to 7th subtopic, conversation. Under that, conducting a meeting. Here especially we are going to discuss about business meeting. Next, under reading passage, Flower Boat by S. Ramesh. Coming to 9th subtopic, writing skills. Under that, formal letters. 10th subtopic is soft skills. Under that, stress management. 11th subtopic is value orientation. What is that? Practice makes perfect. Okay, alright. Is it clear? Unit 3. Now, switch on to Unit 4. Let me go through this. Under Unit 4, the first subtopic is drama. Julius Caesar by Shakespeare. Very interesting extract. Julius Caesar. Coming to second one, pronunciation. Under that, approximants. Coming to third topic, grammar topic, adverbs. Next, fourth one, vocabulary. Under vocabulary, palindromes. Very easy, palindromes. Spellings. Fifth subtopics are spellings. Derived forms of words. Coming to sixth subtopic, punctuation. Under that, inverted commas. Seventh subtopic, conversation. Under that, interview skills. Eighth subtopic is, look at here, reading passage, the handicrafts of Telangana. Coming to ninth subtopic, writing skills. Under that, formal letters. 10th subtopic, soft skills. Etiquette and grooming. Last one, value orientation. Under that, necessity is the mother of invention. Okay, is it clear? All of you guys? So this is under unit 4. So total in your second semester, you have 4 units. Okay guys, after completion of our semester, even I'm going to discuss about your question paper pattern. Even the question paper pattern. So according to the COVID situation, I'm going to discuss the question papers. Question paper pattern in this COVID situation. Just 2 hours timings. Instead of 3 hours, in this situation, your seniors had written the exams, COVID situation question paper. So they had written in 2 hours. Even I'm going to discuss all those question papers, previous question papers, and right now, according to situation, the question paper pattern.